Speed, style, and tech are great, but at the end of the day, nothing matters more than safety. In 2025, automakers have taken protection to a whole new level with advanced driver assist systems, AI monitoring, and crash structures built like fortresses. So buckle up, because today we're counting down the top 5 safest cars of 2025, the ultimate protection on wheels. And make sure to stick till the end. The number 1 car is practically bulletproof when it comes to safety ratings. Number 5. Subaru Outback 2025 model. Starting our list at number 5, the 2025 Subaru Outback. This SUV continues Subaru's legacy of reliability and safety, making it a favorite for families and adventure lovers alike. Here's what makes it a safety standout. Standard EyeSight driver assist technology with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and emergency braking. A reinforced, ring-shaped frame that absorbs impact energy during crashes. Optional, driver focus system that monitors your eyes and alerts you if you get drowsy. It also scored top marks from the IIHS Insurance Institute for highway safety for front, side, and roof strength. If you want all-weather capability and top-tier protection, the Outback has you covered. Number 4. Tesla Model Y. At number 4, we have the updated Tesla Model Y 2025, one of the most advanced EVs when it comes to safety technology. Tesla's focus on software-driven safety has taken things to the next level this year. The car's rigid battery structure gives it an extremely low center of gravity, reducing rollover risk. Autopilot safety features like automatic lane changes, collision avoidance, and real-time hazard prediction keep you alert. Over-the-air updates ensure your car is always running the latest safety protocols. In NHTSA testing, the Model Y continues to achieve 5-star safety ratings in every category, proving that electric doesn't mean risky. In fact, it's one of the safest EVs ever built. Number 3. Volvo EX90. At number 3, no surprises here, is the Volvo EX90. Volvo has always been synonymous with safety, and their all-electric flagship SUV takes that reputation even further. Here's what sets the X90 apart. It's equipped with LiDAR-based vision, capable of detecting pedestrians, animals, or debris up to 250 meters away, even in the dark. Inside, it monitors the driver's attention using 2 interior cameras that detect distraction or fatigue. Volvo's new safe space technology automatically intervenes when a potential collision is detected. It's built on a new, electric platform designed to exceed future crash standards, not just today's. The EX90 is basically a digital guardian blending AI, sensors, and classic Swedish safety engineering. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz EQS Sedan. At number 2, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQS Sedan. It's more than just luxury. It's intelligent protection at its finest. Here's what makes it a safety marvel. The Driver Assistance Plus package includes over 40 autonomous safety features. Pre-safe. Sound actually emits a specific tone, milliseconds before a crash, preparing your ears to protect hearing from the noise of an impact. The Active Side Impact Protection system lifts the car slightly when sensors detect an imminent side collision, redirecting energy toward the stronger lower frame. It even uses augmented reality HUDs to help drivers stay aware without taking their eyes off the road. Combine that with its e-active body control suspension, and you've got a car that predicts danger before it happens. Mercedes has truly turned safety into science fiction. Number 1. BMW iX. And topping our list at number 1 is the 2025 BMW iX, an all-electric SUV that's redefining safety for luxury vehicles. Here's why it's the safest car of 2025. It's built using carbon, fiber-reinforced polymer, and ultra-high-strength steel for an incredibly tough but lightweight body. It features BMW's driver, Assistance Professional Package, including adaptive cruise, lane change assist, and evasive steering. The iX includes front collision warning with brake intervention and automatic emergency evasion systems. They act faster than human reaction. It also earned 5-star ratings in Euro NCAP and IIHR's safety tests, scoring nearly perfect in both adult and child protection. And with BMW's new AI Safety Core, the car learns from millions of driving scenarios to enhance real-time decision-making. In short, the BMW iX doesn't just protect you, it anticipates danger before it strikes. And there you have it, the top 5 safest cars of 2025. From the tech-driven Tesla and Volvo EX90 to the fortress-like BMW iX, these cars prove that innovation isn't just about speed, it's about saving lives. So whether you're a parent, a traveler, or just someone who values peace of mind, these cars are the safest bets on the road this year. Which one would you trust most to protect your family? Comment below. I'd love to hear your pick. If you enjoyed this list, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos on cars, tech, and lifestyle. Stay safe, drive smart, and I'll see you in the next one.